Once you decide to go sales-led, everything you do need to support one goal. Build a predictable system that turns strangers into paying clients. That system has four moving parts. We call them gears. If even one of these is broken or missing, you will stall. Let's walk through them. Gear 1, outbound sales. This is where it all starts. You go out to the market, you don't wait for inbound. Your job here, define your ICP, build a high quality list, write messages that get replies, reach out consistently, LinkedIn, email, calls. This is where 80% of your effort goes. Because if this part doesn't work, nothing else moves. Gear 2, discovery and qualification. Once someone replies or books a call, the next gear kicks in, discovery. Your job here is not to pitch, it's to qualify. Is there a real need? Is there urgency? Are you speaking to a buyer? We use frameworks like BANT or MEDIC, but most of it comes down to asking the right questions and listening well. Gear 3, demo and closing. Once you confirm fit, you present. But this isn't a product walkthrough. This is a solution narrative based on what you heard during discovery. The best demos feel like continuation of the previous call, not a new conversation. You show this is how we solve the exact problem you described. Then you handle objections, align stakeholders, and move to close. Gear 4, sales, collateral, and proof. This is what supports everything else. Assets like one-pagers, ROI calculators, case studies, objection handling docs, demo recordings. These materials don't sell for you, but they help others inside the company sell on your behalf. Especially in multi-stakeholder deals, these become critical. Most founders focus only on gear 1, sending messages. But the real momentum comes when all four gears are turning in sync. This playbook will show you how to install each of these step by step. Now that you understand the engine, let's start with most important gear, outbound sales. In the next video, I will show you how to use Sales Navigator to build high intent lead lists without wasting time.